Assalamu alaikum. So in this video we will discuss the paper pattern of English according to the Federal Board. There are total 75 marks and total 3 sections, section A, section B and section C. So let's start. In section A there are total 15 MCQs with no choice and each MCQ has 1 mark. In section MCQs, I hope that you would know what is MCQs. MCQs is multiple choice question. There will be some questions, mostly there will be the questions about the grammar, and there will be 4 options and you have to select one. Okay, next section number B. The total marks of section B is 40 marks. Question number 2 is of comprehension question. Comprehension question means the paragraph will be given there and you have to give this you have to write the summary of the given paragraph and give a title of the given paragraph. So and there will be some questions and you have to find the answers of the questions from the paragraph. Then question number 3. There are 2 parts, part A and part B. Part A is paraphrasing. 2 stanzas will be given and you will do the paraphrasing of any one of your choice. Then part B is of stanza question answers or stanza comprehension. Again, there will be 2 stanzas and with questions, and you have to give and you have to solve the questions of any one stanza. Question number 4 is about the grammar. There are total 3 parts, A, B and C. All the parts of question number 4 is about the grammar. So question number 4 is the specific question about the grammar. So the first question is about the voices, means active and passive voice. Sometimes there will be active voices and you have to change into passive, and sometimes maybe the passive voices will be given and you have to convert them into active. So it depends on the question. And the part B is about the verb. It can be any question. For example, change the tense, to change the present indefinite tense into the past tense, or present perfect tense into present continuous tense, whatever. So and similarly there can be a question to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb or any question related to verb. Then part C is of punctuation. Punctuation consists of capitalization, then put the commas and the other things related to punctuation. So A, B and C parts of question number 4. Then come towards the section number C. Section C, you can say that they are the long questions of English paper. Sorry. There are total 20 marks. Question 5 is about email writing and application writing. There will be choice between email and application and total 8 marks. Either you can do email or application. Then question number 6 is about the paragraph, having 6 marks. Then question number 7 is having 2 choices. Number 1 is the translation. There will be English passage, English paragraph, and you have to write its Urdu translation, and then a dialogue. So this is the whole paper pattern of English. And remember one thing, that the confirm paper pattern may be because we are not confirm about the Federal Board. If there is any changes in the paper pattern, then inshallah I will update you. So तब तक के लिए यही पेपर पैटर्न है, चूँकि इसके अलावा अभी तक कोई और उनके वेबसाइट पे या उन्होंने कोई अनाउंस नहीं किया. लेकिन जैसे ही अगर फेडरल बोर्ड कोई नया पेपर पैटर्न अनाउंस करता है या कुछ नई चीज़ें बताता है, then inshallah I will discuss it with you or I will update you. So assalamu alaikum.